Welcome to our detailed review of the best car dash cams in this year. Dash cams are essential for modern driving, offering protection against accidents, fraudulent claims, and even capturing stunning road trip moments. In this video, we'll review the top 5 dash cams to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just want peace of mind on your daily commute, we've got you covered. Stick around as we dive into the features, usability, and durability of these industry-leading products. Kicking off our list at number 1, BlackVue DR900X-2CH. The BlackVue DR900X-2CH is a high-end dual-channel dash cam designed for those who demand premium performance and advanced features. Known for its incredible video quality and cloud connectivity, it's a go-to choice for professional drivers and enthusiasts alike. Key features: the DR900X-2CH boasts 4K Ultra HD front camera resolution and Full HD for the rear, providing unmatched clarity. It includes built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and cloud support, allowing you to access footage remotely. Its parking mode, powered by a motion sensor, ensures 24/7 security. Benefits and usage: this camera excels in capturing sharp details like license plates and road signs, even at night. With the BlackVue cloud service, users can track vehicles in real time and receive instant alerts. The camera's discreet design ensures it doesn't obstruct your view while driving. Usability: the user-friendly mobile app simplifies playback, settings adjustments, and live streaming. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the compact form factor and included tools. Durability: built to withstand extreme temperatures, the DR900X-2CH performs reliably in harsh conditions. Its robust design and premium build quality make it a long-term investment. In the second spot, we have Nextbase 622 GW. The Nextbase 622 GW is an advanced dash cam that combines high-quality recording with cutting-edge features. Renowned for its image stabilization and emergency SOS functionality, it's a top choice for safety-conscious drivers. Key features: featuring 4K recording at 30 frames per second, the 622 GW offers HDR functionality and enhanced night vision for excellent low-light performance. It includes Alexa integration, Wi-Fi, and GPS for seamless connectivity. The emergency SOS feature is a standout, alerting authorities in case of an accident. Benefits and usage: this dash cam ensures crystal-clear recordings, reducing motion blur and glare. The integrated What 3 Words location system adds a layer of convenience by pinpointing exact locations, which is particularly useful for road trips or emergencies. Usability: the Nextbase app provides a smooth experience for viewing and editing footage. Voice control via Alexa makes it easy to operate hands-free, enhancing driver safety. Durability: built to last, the 622 GW features a sturdy design that handles daily use with ease. Its durable casing protects against shocks and temperature changes, ensuring consistent performance. Coming in at number 3 is the Garmin Dash Cam 66W. The Garmin Dash Cam 66W is a compact yet powerful option that delivers wide-angle coverage and exceptional recording quality. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for capturing expansive road views. Key features: the 66W offers 1440p HD resolution with HDR and a 180-degree field of view, providing comprehensive coverage. It includes voice control, GPS, and built-in Wi-Fi for easy file sharing. Driver alerts such as lane departure warnings add an extra layer of safety. Benefits and usage: this dash cam's ultra-wide lens ensures nothing goes unnoticed, making it ideal for capturing both on-road and roadside activity. The clarity of its footage is excellent, even in challenging lighting conditions. Usability: its compact size makes it easy to install and unobtrusive on the windshield. The Garmin Drive app allows seamless access to footage and camera controls. Durability: the 66W is designed with robust materials that withstand everyday wear and tear. Its reliable performance in extreme temperatures ensures it's a dependable companion on long drives. Taking our 4th spot is Thinkware U1000. The Thinkware U1000 is a feature-packed dash cam that caters to those who prioritize top-tier performance. With its dual-channel capability and cutting-edge technology, It's a premium option for advanced users. Key features: equipped with 4K Ultra HD front and 2K QHD rear cameras, the U1000 offers stunning clarity. It includes built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Thinkware Cloud for remote monitoring. Features like lane departure and forward collision warnings add to its appeal. Benefits and usage: the U1000 excels in capturing minute details, from distant road signs to license plates. Its cloud capabilities enable remote access, making it ideal for fleet management or monitoring parked vehicles. Usability: the dash cam's intuitive interface and companion app make operation effortless. Parking surveillance and advanced driver assistance systems enhance overall usability. Durability: with heat-resistant technology and a solid build, the U1000 is built to endure demanding conditions. Its dependable performance ensures long-term reliability. And finally, at number 5, we have Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a unique dash cam that offers dual-facing cameras, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. Its versatile features ensure both driver and passenger activities are recorded in exceptional quality. Key features: featuring a front 1080p camera and an interior-facing 720p camera, the N2 Pro covers both road and cabin. It offers night vision, motion detection, and loop recording. The G sensor locks important footage during incidents. Benefits and usage: the infrared night vision ensures clear cabin recordings in low-light conditions, making it ideal for Uber or Lyft drivers. The seamless loop recording feature ensures continuous operation without manual intervention. Usability: simple to install and operate, the N2 Pro offers a user-friendly experience. The camera's wide-angle lenses provide comprehensive coverage without distortion. Durability: the robust design ensures reliability, while its heat-resistant components maintain performance in extreme temperatures. This dash cam is built to handle daily use without compromise. There you have it, the 5 best car dash cams in this year. Each of these options caters to different needs, whether you're seeking superior video quality, advanced features, or reliable performance. Investing in a dash cam not only enhances your safety, but also gives you peace of mind on the road. Let us know in the comments which dash cam fits your needs best, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Stay safe and happy driving.